Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline, and today I'm going to be doing my monthly BoxyCharm box review and reveal. So this is the look I created using this month's box, and let me show you guys what I got in the box actually. So I got this Bright On Vitamin C Clay Mask, which is, let me check the price. Let me check my little card here. $38, which is it's pricey, so I'm happy I got it in the box. We also got this Crown eyeshadow palette, and let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Very warm tone, earthy kind of tones in here. And you will get the tea of this palette and how it performed later in this video. And this is $30. And also we got this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream Pencil and Pomade all in one. It's not a pencil, a brush. So this is the brush. It's an angled brush, and then the product itself is on the bottom half of this stick. And I want you guys to get a really good look at this. This is the whole packaging, and this is the product. So I don't even know what to tell you, like this much product. But let's keep it positive. Let's keep it positive. So next I have this Note Cosmetics blush. And the last item in the box is this mascara from Wonder Beauty, which is on my eyes right now, which is pretty good. So before beginning this tutorial, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please come back to me. Don't let me go. Come back to me. And give this video a like, and let's just begin. Begin the video. So today I'm starting off the video, as you can see, just a tad bit different. I just came out the shower, so I'm fresh, cleaned, and I'm gonna start off with the first product of the BoxyCharm box, and it's this Pharmacy Bright On Vitamin C mask, and this is what it looks like. And this mask claims, let me read you the claims. Watch the magic happen as you massage this vitamin C clay mask onto your skin, turning from purple to green. Ooh. I want to see that happen. The Pharmacy Bright On mask removes impurities and buildups while improving your skin brightness, texture, and tone. So let's see if this actually works. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work the first time, but let's see if it does something the first time I use it. And this is all here in the BoxyCharm description card. So it says here just to apply it and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the mask is on, and you know, she look a little cray. Let me take it off my eyebrows. She look a little cray. And let's see if it actually turns into green as it claims to do. Because once you apply it, it's more white than it is purple. But I do see some hues of purple in there. But I do kind of see it turning green on my upper lip area. So in 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be back. So I lost a clip of where I give you details about this mask. So it worked out actually pretty well. The next day when I woke up, I usually wake up with an oily face, and I didn't wake up with any oils. I'm going to keep trying this on because I did love it. So now let's just jump back straight into the video. Okay, so I did my base makeup off of camera. I did my foundation, concealer, and I set my face with powder, and everything will be in my description box. So now I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer, and I'm gonna use this bronzer from MAC, and this one is like a couple collections ago, but I really love how it looks on my face, and you can see it, there's like a divot. How much I use it. Okay, now for the next item in my BoxyCharm box, I'm going to be using this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Okay, blusher. Infused with argan oil. Okay, blusher. And this is the compact. The compact is pretty nice. It's cute or whatever. And this is what the blush looks like. And it's a nice peachy blush. It's really pretty and it feels really nice too. And there's a swatch. It actually shows up, so it's pretty pigmented. It comes with a brush, but come on, like, who's gonna use this? Honestly, nobody gonna use this, so let's just toss that away. But the blush itself looks pretty good. So now using my Aesthetica blush brush, apply that, and ooh, it's pigmented. Wow, look at that. It's really pigmented. Too much. Oh my god. Okay, so this blush is actually really nice, but it's super pigmented. Like, I went a little bit too far, kind of clown-like. I'm trying to tone it down, but it's pigmented. This is a pigmented blush. Okay, I think that's as decent as I can get it as of right now. Let's move on. For highlighter, I'm just gonna use this one from the Pure Dreamer cheek palette, and this was in, like, I think 2 or 3 boxes ago. This is what it looks like. It's really nice. Okay, so the next item for my BoxyCharm box is this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, basically a pomade, and it brings a brush on this side, which is kind of thick. Let's see how it actually applies. Pomade itself is in here. Eyebrows are on, and it didn't perform that bad, but it wasn't the best. The pomade is okay, but the brush itself I don't like too much, but I guess it's good for traveling. It's all in one. I wish it did have a spoolie. That's like the only thing that's missing from this is one of these, but it's alright. For the next item in my BoxyCharm box is this Crown Brushes eyeshadow palette, and let me show you what it looks like. So for $30, it looks very cheaply made. It doesn't look that good. The eyeshadow pans itself are larger than normal, I must say that, but honestly this looks so cheap, like. But let's see if it actually works. The colors are pretty, I must say that, but right here. Alright, so this shit is a dud. It's like not working out. It's not. I don't see it. Okay, so that shade is a no-go. Let me try the shade next to it. It's like a it's a dark raspberry tone. Let me see if I can darken up the eyelid with this. So I decided to add some powder because this palette does have fallout. So this is not going anywhere. It's not dark enough for me, even though it's really dark on the pan. It doesn't show up as dark on the eyelids as I want. It has a lot of fallout, that I have to say. This is like subculture vibes. A lot of fallout. So the eyeshadow's done, and it looks pretty good as of right now. It's kind of, the tones are way too similar. It kind of blends into each other, but I do like the nice pop of the eyelid. So now the last item on the box, I'm going to be applying this Wander Beauty mascara. It's called Unlash Volume Curl Mascara. Okay, so the mascara is on, and let me get up close so you can actually see it. So this mascara claims to be volumizing and curling. I didn't really get that much volume from it, and my lashes are naturally pretty curly, so I wouldn't even know. I wouldn't even tell. Like, they're really, like, if they curl anymore, they're gonna touch my eyelid. They're not really that lengthening, but it did coat it really nice. Like, they do look pretty, but I wish it was a little bit more volumizing. So this is the final look using all the BoxyCharm products, and this month's box, it was okay. The best item from the box itself is the blush, and I would say the worst is actually the eyebrow pencil. It's like $26 for this much products. That's ridiculous. Even though it did work. My eyebrows a little bold right now. Well, they usually are always bold, but it did work. It did fill them in. But $26 for this much product? I don't think so. You're better off getting a pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, or even the NYX one. It's like $8. Even the pencil works. I think works better than this. Like, it's too much money for that. But you know, you only pay $21. That's a good thing about this box. So you only pay $21 a month, so you don't really feel the hurt of it. But I did really like the blush, though. The blush, I would say, is a 10 out of 10. The eyeshadow palette is it's half and half. I'll like maybe like 6.5 out of 10. I will rate it. Like, the look does look nice, but it's like so many worn tone palettes. It's like the same recycled shades. Like, brands start getting a little bit more creative with the stuff they make. And all in all, like, the look is not bad. Everything else in the box worked well. Like, I do like the mascara. It's really nice. And the mask, I will keep trying it on, but I did really like how my face felt. It felt a little tight after I washed it off. I felt nice and cleansed, which I really like. Before I end the video, remember to subscribe to my channel. Keep coming back. Don't stop coming back. And like this video, and I'll see you in my next one.